Today we're going to look at tooltips on a Fortress Raptor checkweigher. Tooltips are an aid in setting up and operating the system and are available on various pages, settings, and parameters within the HMI. For example, in the product menu, we have various weight settings that initially come up. Now, if we are curious what each of these settings and parameters is adjusting, we can open up that parameter, which, for example, this one has a numerical keypad that opens, and in the top right there we have our question mark. So this is where our tooltips reside. By pressing that question mark, it brings up your current setting, the parameter it's at right now, and a description of what that setting is changing and its purpose in the system. So we can exit out by tapping anywhere else around the screen. We'll cancel this change, and we'll go back to another example, such as the product name here. Opens up a full QWERTY keyboard on the HMI. We have another tooltip in the top right corner, again showing the parameter and its current setting and a description of what it's changing.